you lived.
Where were they
can't
at?
go below
Across the way?
They were in the town, shooting down at us on the beach, I suppose.
Well, why didn't you guys clear all those buildings?
Hello.
I tried, but Tally left me. I was scared.
There's a boat. God damn it! There's a
God
fucking.
damn
Oh
it.
no.
Hey,
You
let's
guys said somebody get a boat.
let's try and
No, we can,
let's try and steal
we
their
can get
boat.
in their boat.
Yeah, we can try and
Yeah,
steal
steal
their
the
boat.
boat. Abandon them.
It's pretty far away though.
Oh, he had to have spotted you. He's swimming towards you.
I can't use bandages in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still looting. No. No, he's gonna take it and run. Crap.
What's he got?
A boat.
Oh, he abandoned you guys. Oh, he's gonna shoot at you. Crap.
He's trying. He doesn't move. I'm gonna fucking get in the boat and drive it.
Yeah, I'd drive off with it.
Do not get in yet.
Oh! So close. Hop it in, shoot him. Shoot him! He's driving, shoot him!
Got him.
Nice! Now loot him. Wait for him to die and then loot him. He's crawling on the floor of the water, that's great.
Haha, his box is up top, dude. That was amazing. Easily played the game.